So if you are prone to dandruff, an oily scalp, dry ends, flakes, eczema on your scalp, or any other scalp issues, this video is gonna be for you. So my name is Nick Marabella, and I've been doing hair for 25 plus years. And one of the biggest things I see today is scalp issues. And I think that's because of the lack of hair care routine that people are doing. So let me elaborate on this. A lot of clients and a lot of people hear the tips of don't wash your hair every day. And you can go 3 to 4 to 5 days, or people wash their hair once a week. And just like everything else, there's not one size fits all. You need to have a good hair care routine before you just jump right into that. Part of the reason why you're getting dandruff is because you don't wash your hair enough. So many people think that washing their hair every day is bad. Yes and no. If you have color treated hair and you have a great hair care routine when you do wash your hair, you can push it 3, 4, 5 days. However, men, if you have shorter hair, there's less room for that oil on your scalp to spread out through your hair. So if you have hair like my length is right now, you should wash every day. Get a nice, good shampoo, something that's not over drying, something that's moisturizing, and do 2 shampoos. First shampoo breaks up all the oil and the dirt. The second shampoo gets your scalp clean. So you're gonna be stripping away any of that excess oil on there because you don't have a lot of hair for that oil to spread down. Ladies, if you are going, 3, 4, 5 days in between shampoos, you're gonna have to do 2 or 3 shampoos when you do wash your hair. First one's gonna loosen up the dirt and oil, just like I said for the guys. Second one is gonna start stripping that dirt and the buildup of product away. The third one's gonna get your scalp actually clean. So if you have an oily scalp, you use a lot of product in your hair, one shampoo is not gonna do the trick. You're gonna have to do 2 or 3, especially if you have really thick hair, which is probably the reason why you don't wanna wash it every day anyway. My advice to you is you can use a clarifying shampoo first, and then you could use even the clarifying second if you wanted to, and then use some kind of a moisturizing shampoo third. This way you're not over drying your hair. So how that looks is this. So when you get into the shower to wash your hair, make sure your hair is fully saturated. Let the water run, get it soaking wet. Don't just half-ass put it under the running water, get some shampoo and throw it in there. That's not gonna work. Get your hair really wet to the root. Make sure it's really, really, really wet. I can't stress that enough. Then you're gonna add your shampoo. Then you're gonna rinse it out. How you rinse out the first and second shampoo isn't really a big deal. You're gonna rinse out most of it, but you can leave some suds in there. The third shampoo, if you're doing 3, and the second shampoo, if you're doing 2, it's very, very important that you rinse all that shampoo out before you put the conditioner in. And conditioners for the hair, shampoo truly is for the scalp and the first couple inches of hair to really get rid of all that buildup of product and oil. If you're not doing the proper hair care routine, you're not using shampoo properly, you're not shampooing often enough, you're gonna get a buildup of dandruff, you're gonna get a buildup of dirt and product and other things that will cause your scalp to flake and actually will cause your hair to get thinner because you're clogging your hair follicle. Make sure you're washing your hair every day if your hair is on the shorter side, or at least every other day. So, like I always say, any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.